Okay, so in the general mathematical sense, that's how we would optimize the parameters of our model, theta, by using batch gradient descent to minimize our cost function, j of theta. Below is an implementation of linear regression and gradient descent to try and determine how many lifetime home runs a player in a baseball dataset will hit, given their height and weight. I'd encourage you to really look through all of this code and make sure you understand how it works. But for now, I'd like you to write some code here that updates the values of theta a number of times equal to num iterations. You should initialize an array called cost history, and every time you've computed the cost for a given set of thetas, you should append it to cost history. The function should return both the final values of theta in your theta array and the cost history array. Your code should go here. Feel free to use other helper functions in this code, such as compute cost.